In this tutorial we're going to look at how to create a new post or blog post or news item. So once we're logged into the back end of the website, from the left hand menu over here, then we're going to select posts and add new. And that'll bring us up an editing screen where we can add a new post. So for all blog posts or news items, there's 4 things we need to do. We need to add a title, we need to add some text, we need to allocate a category for the item, and we also need to add tags. Tags are also known as keywords, and they're indexed by Google, so they're worth adding. So first thing we need to do is add a title. So we need to keep these short and snappy typically. So we'll call this one camping availability. Next thing we can do is we need to choose a category for this blog post. So we'll select accommodation, and we have the option, if you don't see a category here that you need, you've always got the option of adding a new category. So just type it in here and then click the add new category, and that'll create a new category for you. We would recommend keeping just a small number of categories, like maybe a maximum of 8 to 10. Otherwise, things get too kind of scattered around. So, and then a tag. So we can put one in called campsites. Okay. And finally, we need to put some text. So we'll put in camping will be available in sorts, and you can full stop. Now if we want to add an image to the item, we can simply use the add media, and that will allow us to select a picture from our computer. And so we'll just choose this one of swords here just for the item. And so now it's uploading to the website, so you just wait until that's completed, and then down here on the bottom left, click Insert into Post. So now we have some text and a photograph, and let's say finally what we could look at is we can just press the Enter key here, and that'll bring us down underneath the photo. If we wanted to add, say, a PDF file, then again we use the Add Media button here. So we click on that, and we can select a PDF file off our computer. And we're just going to select the Fleadh rules. And again, we need to wait for that to upload, and then once it's done, we go Insert into Post. So now we have our 3 items. We have some text, a photo, and we have a link to a PDF file. There's also some editing controls here, kind of similar to Microsoft Word. So, for example, if you wanted to bold strike this, you just highlight the text and click bold, or you can do italics, etc. And finally, you've got the option over here to preview. So you can click on the preview button, and that will bring you up a preview of we'll see the post load up now in a moment. There we have it. And there's our post. So if we're happy with that, we go back to the original tab up here, and we just simply press publish. And that'll make once we press publish, then the post will be immediately available on the website. That's the end of this tutorial.